Welcome back to NASCAR 2006. Five to the top. Today we're doing the Kroger 200 at Martinsville in the Craftsman Truck Series. If you did not see last episode, we actually got a new contract with the trucks. Now we're gonna race. Hopefully I can get a new contract with truck. I don't know, I'm good in Martinsville. So let's see the truck. Oh, okay. Bob's. Just warm up. So let's see. No, we're just gonna go right into it.
You're pressing a little too hard. This is the one, green flag.
So yeah, Martinsville is gonna work in every single racetrack because I've been racing here last time. Off camera, I've been racing in the Nextel Cup cars here at Martinsville, and I'm always wall riding.
Stay patient, he'll come to you.
The Hell Melon Move, the only video game move he has ever tried that I know of.
Oh, buddy, you're the man.
Problem, we're missing part of the fender now. Wait, what? What the fuck? What just happened? What the? You guys saw that? Wait. Oh my. That's so confusing. So that was only for the qualifying though. Oh my. I was getting worried at this point. I'm like, bro, where's my racing at? Like,
The cleaner you keep her, the faster she'll be. Come on, buddy.
no, the faster I would be if I was wall riding because they slow a ton in the corners. Look, I just gained some time on them.
That's 5 bonus points to lead that lap.
Look, I'm gaining time on them. 16 laps? What? 16 laps in Martinsville.
Take care of that car the best you can, buddy.
Come on, this is gonna be the easiest race. Our first win in the Craftsman truck. At the same time, we're gonna need a caution to fix
Nice and
the
easy,
car
buddy. Nice and easy.
because we're still getting damaged.
That's where fuel.
Oh dang it, I'm gonna run out of fuel. Same time I'm not in red, so
Come on, man. The car can't take too much
not to hit him. I want the good partner.
Clear, clear. Hamilton, side, side.
Oh dang it, come on. And they, bro, what do you mean you're my rival now?
In your way.
Whoa, what the fuck? I'm sorry.
Hamilton, hello.
He's my rival? He was in the middle. What the heck? What do you mean he's my rival?
Hello.
Uh-oh.
Halfway to the second flag. Good job, buddy. Hold on to that lead. Clear.
We're second.
Inside. Bunch of fuel.
You're telling me to get fuel.
Clear. All clear. Just another 5 points to lead to both flaps. Watch the inside. All clear. You gotta stay away from that kind of thing. Be patient. 117 car. Down low. There you go. All clear. Push some of the leaders are headed down pit road. Going inside. Nothing damaged. Keep digging, buddy.
Replace tires. All. No. None. Add fuel. Repair damage. Yes.
5 laps to go. Converge. Clear on either side. Let the car come to you. Don't press it. You're open over the spot. Going inside. Number 124.
There.
You're shadowing behind you. You're both sides. All clear.
Dang, these cars need fuel fast. Because everyone just went into pits. Everyone's in pits. So that, I thought like I burst in and it was like the fuel tank, and I'm like, oh shoot, it's a fuel tank. No, it wasn't.
Looks like you're dead now. That damage is gonna slow you down a little bit. Be patient. The right rear gets more.
Oh, okay, now wait, my tire, dang it! Didn't notice my tire's down. My fault. Beep beaters, don't get mad.
Clear, all clear. Whatever you need.
Come on, we're about to take the white.
No.
Both back tires.
Clear on both sides.
Okay, good thing it's just the 2 back tires. Don't need them right now. And my front one's here. And that'll be it. We're done. Let's go! Let's go!
That was a nice piece of driving.
Celebrate. Of course we're celebrating. It's our first time. Oh, it sounds better in here. Come on. I can tell you nobody celebrated this way. Completing the race. Yeah. And then going this way. Did we actually do it though? No. Oh dang, we're wrecking. Okay, we'll call it down. Oh my. I took the win. Dream you. It's money maker. What the? Qualify before racing. If you don't, you'll start at the back of the pack. Thank you for telling me that, barely.
Hey, it's Ace. Just called to let you know you've been doing a great job out there. Little positive affirmation for you. Keep it up.
Thanks, man.
Hey, you know Ace Moneymaker's got a big brain, but he's also got a big heart, baby. I'm all about the charity, which is why I have gotten you hooked up with the charity race this week with all of the popular drivers in it. This is where you make your mark, baby.
There's no way. Okay. So... you know what's gonna be in next episode. See you guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Have a wonderful day.